everyone, welcome to this question where we are given ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, and we are also given that this is a right angle, and some of the sides are given. Okay, find the length of this AX, which happens to be the height of this trapezium. Now I need to draw your attention to this triangle, which is a right angle triangle. Yeah. So I'm going to just do this sketch here. And this is 25. What could be my BX would be 7 as given in the question. So how can I find my AX? By Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, and since AX is the shorter, one of the shorter side, so this is usually the case. 25 square, I'm going to minus away the 7 square. This will give me 24 cm by Pythagoras Theorem. Hence, find the area of this trapezium. You all must remember, area of a trapezium is equals to half times the sum of the parallel lines times the height of the trapezium, which is perpendicular to the parallel lines. So in this case here, right, you will then see that the sum of the parallel lines will be 15 plus 29. So that will be my sum. Do use a bracket. And my height is my AX. And this will give me a value of 528 cm square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.